Brown-Youngstrom House, circa 1870. This is a Victorian Gothic Queen Anne style home. William H. Brown and his wife Margaret W. Brown purchased 2 parcels of land shortly after 1870 from Heifer Smith, on which they started construction on this 3-story brick home. Brown was listed in the 1870 census as a news dealer. The Browns lived in this home along with their 4 children: Edward, born in 1867, Alice, born in 1871, Julia, born in 1875, and Hattie, born in 1876, and a servant named Leanne Werman, until it was sold in 1914 to Arias D. and Mary C. McVeigh. McVeigh, who became city director in 1924, passed the home to his son-in-law, Thomas E. Graham Jr., and daughter Goldie McVeigh Graham in 1940. Graham served as the president of the Graham Baumgartner Company, a prominent shoe manufacturer located in Parkersburg, and was an active member of the First Baptist Church of Parkersburg. The home was then sold to John R. and Lucille McCarthy in 1962, Linda and Roger Kearns in 1990, and then to the present owners Cameron and Patty Youngstrom in 2002. The original home was widened by about 8 feet along with a new roof line sometime prior to 1900, based on foundation additions and details uncovered during renovations. There have been numerous modifications over the years, but the current configuration retains the original pass-through butler's pantry. The servants' quarters were located on the 3rd floor, and there was a bell located in the servants' stairway with call buttons under the table in the dining room as well on the main stairs. The 3,780 square foot house currently has 4 bedrooms on the 2nd floor, a master suite on the 3rd floor, 3 bathrooms, a billiard room, a coffered oak ceilinged dining room, living room, an updated kitchen, and 8 gas fireplaces. The house was originally piped for gas lighting, with 2 working original fixtures remaining. Numerous trinkets have been unearthed in the house and on the property during renovations. The chimney plaster on the 3rd floor contains the signatures of most of the Brown family, several of which are buried in the nearby Riverview Cemetery.